So I was asked, how do I gain my network? Like, how do I um, build my community of people that I network with? You know, how do I get the extra jobs or get people to call me? I'm going to tell you what I do. You might not believe this because I know a lot of people are against this with their hustle and with their business. I'm going to tell you what I did. I spent money with other businesses. I know you weren't ready for that, was you? I spent money with other entrepreneurs, other small business owners. That's how I built my relationships. I spent money with them. You got something that you like and you're independent. Hey, I like that. I'll buy some of them. And they're like, oh man, you buy some of my stuff? Hey, I like this. I'm going to buy some of your stuff. We networking. We eating now. I help them. They help me. But you know what I had to do first? I had to spend my own money. Invest in me. Stop being scared to spend your money.